know, it might look kind of promising. This is my trunk club for, what month is this? This is July. I've taken everything out of the box. It's all individually wrapped in all this plastic. I'm pretty excited about all the colors, and there's probably some possibilities in here, I hope. So I'm gonna get them out of the plastic, and then I'm gonna do a quick try on and go over the items with you. But first, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. If you're new, I do unboxings of style boxes, lifestyle, I do reviews, I do a blog here and there, maybe a little bit of cooking, but this is not a cooking channel. I am not a cook, so you've been warned. But mostly style boxes and lifestyle boxes. So if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I love communicating with you guys. So leave a comment if you like this video and you would like to see more. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and tap the bell, and you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna unwrap all the items and do a try on and give you all the information. Let's see how my stylist did. So let's get started. I don't know why I agreed to this first item. These are heavy. Jeans, wide leg, pretty color. Love this color. First outfit. Let's start with this top. Okay, let me just say before I even get started, this brings back so many memories with the wide leg pants from the 70s. And if you guys can remember, if you're as old as I am, when I was in high school, girls were not allowed to wear pants until, I think it might have been my junior year, maybe my sophomore year, to where you were allowed to wear pantsuits. They had to actually be pantsuits. And I remember wearing, we called them the elephant pants because they weren't allowed to be tight. So this brings me back to that, when I could wear denim to school. So, all right, let's just get going. This is pretty cute. I mean, I'm really surprised how much I like this. All right, the top, this is by Camuto. It must be on sale for $47.40. It is a smocked blouse. This is a size small. Normally, I do not like these sleeves as in between, but there's something about this blouse that I love. Maybe the color, maybe the ease of it. It has a little slit on each side. It's just kind of a nice loose blouse. I would maybe wear a cami underneath it. You could tie it. I don't like it tied, but I'll show it to you guys. I like the feel of the material. It's a little warm. So this is not something that I could wear in the Virginia humidity weather right now. But going into fall, when it starts getting a little cooler, or at night or to dinner or something, I could wear this top. It has the elastic, what is that? I was gonna call it a wrist. It has the elastic hem. I don't know. I'm just excited about the top. It's really a cute, like little, I guess they call it a smocking. It's just kind of gathered. How cute is this? Now I did try to do a front tuck. It does not work with these jeans, but look at how cute this is. I like it. All right, ladies, let's talk about these jeans. I like them. They're wide leg. They're white. They are by NYDJ. They are $119. They are the Teresa. They are high-waisted. It's got kind of a different, let me back up, waistband. It's kind of like it's all one material, but there's definitely a waistband with the belt loops. It's a thicker material, but it's a soft material. I like the wash on them. These are size 8. They're a little big up here, but not much. The pockets. How cute are these? Do you guys like them? I don't know, I kind of like them. I don't know for $119 though. I might put them on my wish list and watch for them to go on sale, but we'll see. We'll see what the rest of the box brings. So let's see what's next. This is an interesting top. I'm gonna leave the jeans on and I'm gonna put this top on. Look at how cute that is. Okay, this is by Rails, which is very expensive. It is called the Ruthie Button Up Top, and then I'll show you the whole outfit after I show you the top, because I left the jeans on. This is pretty cute. It's more like to me, it's kind of like a tie-dye, a very light tie-dye. It has the little ruffle sleeves, the ruffle around the neck, a little bit of gathering here, button up. It's pretty cute. No darts or anything. So to tuck it in, it kind of hangs funny, lays funny. It feels amazing. It really does. It is a little big in the arms. I wish it had, I don't know, I just wish it fit a little bit better for me. This is a size small. It's very soft. I don't know if I said that. Oh no, it's pretty cute. Okay, so let me show it to you tucked in with these wonderful wide leg jeans. I mean, I think it goes well with the jeans. Okay, here it is untucked. It's kind of long. It's a good quality material. You can feel it's substantial. It's not too thick, it's not thin. So here it is out. Little slit on the side. I think I like it better in. I mean, it's a cute top. It is $148. $148, yeah, you heard me right. For me, this is not worth $148. So definitely this is going back. Let's see what's next. Another top, puffy sleeves. Okay, this top is by ASTR. Do you just say it like that, or is there really a name for it? I don't know what that is. It's ASTR, the label. This is called the bubble sleeve crop top. So this is definitely a no. Absolutely not, but it is pretty cute if it was longer. It does have the elastic on the bottom. The color is ivory. The sleeves are a little tight. It has the elastic around the sleeve. This is a size small. Puffy, I kept looking to see if it had something in it to make it puffy, but there's just more material. This is hand wash, so that's kind of a big no for me. It's $56. It's just, you know, crop. At crop, you had me at no, absolutely not. The back feels like the elastic is a little twisted. Okay, can't wait to get this off. All right, let's see what's next. Oh boy, this one won't take long to try on, take back off. What is it with the non-bra friendly tops in these boxes lately? Another halter top. You guys have seen my stitch fix. What is it with these? This is really cute though. Okay, let me show you the full look. This is really, really cute. It is Vince Camuto. I am wearing a size small. It has the thin straps up here, which if you had a black, like a bralette or a halter top or a bra, it would probably work great with this top. It's a little low for this girl. I feel a little exposed. It just has one little snap right here, and it's a true wrap. It is open. So if there's a wind gust or anything, I would probably put some fabric tape right here if this was something I was gonna keep. I like the straps on it. I wish it was probably just a little higher, and then that would bring this up on this. Oh, you know what? Is that his? Oh no, that's the price tag. I thought it had a side zipper that I missed. So it's, you know, it's just kind of hangs right here. And then it's longer in the back, and wait till you see, it's the halter style. I like it a lot. And then here it is with the jeans. It'd be really cute with this, with the jeans. And then put a jacket on. I think it'd be really cute. $79, no thank you. It's a little, probably a little low on me because I can't seem, I wanna hide this little side fat that I have going on. Yeah, but $79, and it's so low, I won't reach for it. I have other things. As you guys have saw, if you saw my Stitch Fix video, my closet is jam-packed. So I'm being very, very picky on my keepers. So this is gonna be a no, as cute as it is. I mean, it's really, I like this style, but I need a little more something up here. So, okay, so I have 2 items left. I have a pair of joggers. Yeah, I don't know what these are gonna look like on, but I have these with pockets. Whoops. And there, have those. And a shirt that is not bra friendly. So let's get to the try on. Okay, I have the top by CECE. It is they call it a pleated halter top for $69. I am wearing a size small. I just left my bra like this because it's too big. It goes pretty low. So if I would have tucked my straps in, nah, so I just left it alone. It's really nice. I mean, I like this style, but you've got to have the right bra to wear with it, which I don't have. And this is too low. And for $69, it's, you know, no. You'd see your bra, even a, you know, a strapless bra. It is a nice length. But this is gonna be a no. Okay, so let me show you these joggers. I am not turning around these joggers. They are by Socialite. They are called the Lounge Joggers. They are buttery soft, buttery soft. They are $49. I am wearing a size medium. Probably if I had a different color, it wouldn't show. I don't know if it's showing through in the camera, but I can see the cellulite in my thighs through this color. It has the nice pockets, so soft. The drawstring, it's elastic at the waist, and it does have the hem, not the hem, but kind of like cuffs at the bottom. It's not elastic. So these are a good length. They're so soft. But honestly, I'm not a loungewear girl, no, or jogger girl. So although if you're looking for a pair, these are so soft. And I think for $49, is that a good price? They're really nice, they really are. I think if I got these in a different color, and I don't know, probably not. Okay, let's do a real quick review of the items and I'll give you my final thoughts on them. Kind of weird standing here talking to you guys with my bra showing, but I'm going to leave this on and just show you what I'm thinking. Right, it's kind of weird standing here with my bra showing, but we're just all girls hanging out, so it's okay. All right, so this is going to be a no. You guys already know that. I'm going to work backwards from the clothes that I showed you. This is going to be a no just because actually it's kind of low, but I love the style of this top for a night out, but it's just too low. Okay, you guys already know joggers, they're a definite no. Let's see, this Vince Camuto top. I want to give you a closer look at these items also. So this is really pretty. It's lined in the front, but not in the back. And this is a no. It's just too revealing. I just, you know, just not my thing. Okay, this top this Ivory top from ASTR. I don't know how to say that. This is definitely a no. Look at the pretty color. the ivory. It's got a really nice fabric. And then here's the inside of the sleeve. It's got this extra, I would call it tooling, but it's thicker and it's softer than a tulle. But that's what's on the inside of the sleeve. It's cropped, it's cute, but it's not for this girl. Nope. Okay, the top from Rails. This one, see, doesn't that look like a tie-dye? It's a really pretty color. I like this a lot, but this style top's not for me. It's too cutesy, too young girlish for me. But I like it, but not for the price. That's Rails for you. It's buttoned up. It does have the white buttons with the ruffled neck, which I do like that part. It's just this part I'm not crazy about. And the price, so that's a no. Okay, ladies, this pink top, I have to look at the video. This is by Vince Camuto. I do like this top, even though sleeves are not, you know, what I normally don't like, but they stay up when I push them up. So, and I think it's on sale for $47.40. So I think I might keep this. What do you guys think? Here it is close up. Pretty. I think they had me at the pink. So I'm thinking about keeping this, but I'll look at the video before I make a decision and hear what you guys say. The wide leg jeans. Oh my gosh, I like these. They're long. I have to wear heels with them, which I'm more comfortable in heels. Believe it or not, they don't hurt my feet as much. It does, I didn't point this out. It has unfinished hem, which I like. The wide leg. Let's see. Here's the waistband on it. I don't know. They feel heavier than they feel when they're on. They are really a nice soft denim. So I'm kind of on the fence. I'm thinking, because I'm not ready to wear them here in Virginia, at least probably till late September into October, I'll wear shorts or skirt as long as I can get away with it before I have to start wearing jeans. So I might just put these on my wish list, and if they go on sale, and then pick them up at that time. So that's it. That's my trunk. I think they did a pretty good job. I think we're getting, we're getting there, and it's okay. I mean, if I buy 1 or 2 items or I send the whole thing back, a stylist took the time to put everything together for me. If you haven't tried Trunk Club and you'd like to give them a try, the styling fee is $25, but if you have a NORDSTROM card, they waive the styling fee. You will also receive a $50 credit, and if you use my referral link, I will also receive a $50 credit. So thank you in advance. And shipping's free. You try them on like I do. I might not keep anything, put it right back in the box that it came in. They give you a label, they give you tape, they give you a sheet that shows you all the items with the pricing, and you just send it back. You take it to FedEx or call FedEx and they'll pick it up for you, so you don't even have to leave your home. That's what's so great about these style boxes. You don't have to leave home. All right, that's it. That's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.